Hello students, welcome to Crack Grade B online learning platform. Today in this video we are going to discuss about our 45 days crash course that we are launching on Unacademy platform. So how our 45 days crash course will help in your preparation, as new exam dates are there for the RBI Grade B phase 1 and phase 2 exam. As you may have seen the YouTube videos of Akash Jadhav sir, where he has informed that phase 1 new exam date is 6th of May. So approximate 60 days time you have. So you can easily cover this phase 2 syllabus, and in this crash course we will cover the complete phase 2 content in approximate 45 to 50 days, and crash course is starting from 6th May. So sorry, 6th March. So I will tell you why you should go for the phase 2 content, means why you should complete the phase 2 content before the phase 1 exam. I will tell you the reason. RBI Grade B new exam date, screenshot from the Akash Jadhav sir YouTube channel. 6th May is the exam date for phase 1 exam, 11 June is the for phase 2. So I will advise you to cover complete phase 2 syllabus before the phase 1 exam. Reason is 15 to 20 question in GA from phase 2 static part, specifically from schemes, finance static, finance and banking static part. You can see 15 to 20 question in GA part will be there, and you know that 80 marks are assigned to GA, so it plays great role in your overall cutoff. To clear the overall cutoff means 15 से 20 क्वेश्चन हैं वो GA के फेज 2 के स्टैटिक पार्ट से आते हैं, जिसमें फिनांस के स्टैटिक पार्ट से, गवर्नमेंट स्कीम से क्वेश्चन आते हैं, PIB RBI सर्कुलर से क्वेश्चन आते हैं जो फेज 1 की GA में हेल्प करते हैं। और जबकि 80 मार्क्स का GA का जो सेक्शन है 80 मार्क्स का है, और ये आपको ओवरऑल कट ऑफ में हेल्प करता है, तो इसलिए आपको बहुत ज़रूरी हो जाता है कि आपको फेज 2 का सिलेबस कवर करना है फेज 1 के पहले। अकेले आप कर रखिए, जो करंट अफेयर आता है RBI का वो थोड़ा डिफरेंट टाइप का अदर बैंकिंग एग्जाम से, तो आप अगर प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं इस एग्जाम के लिए और सिर्फ करंट अफेयर पढ़ के जा रहे हैं तो GA को जो GA में स्कोर करना है वो थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है। आपको स्टैटिक पार्ट करना ही होगा, स्टैटिक और जो फेज 2 का करंट अफेयर है वो करना होगा। तीसरा पॉइंट है कि 40 डेज का गैप होता है फेज 1 एग्जाम, देयर इज गैप ऑफ 40 डेज इन फेज 1 and phase 2. So time is less. At that time you can revise the content, so you have to complete the content before phase 1, so that in that 40 days you can revise the content. Our content is specific and quality content, as you may have seen the feedback from past year selected candidate, and this can be covered in the less time. And most important thing is live interactive classes you will get. You can clear your doubt online, and all classes will be in online format, live format. So these are the things, so that's why I'm recommending you, if you not started your preparation for the phase 2, you can start. And course will be bilingual, means we will teach in English. If some students want explanation in Hindi, that will be explained based on the comment, but we will teach in English mainly. If someone wants that explanation in Hindi, so our teachers, our faculty will explain in Hindi also. So this will be this is the detail of our crash course, and more details I am sharing. This is starting from 6th March, tomorrow. Approximate 45 to 50 days we will take, and complete syllabus topic we will cover in the live classes. Complete syllabus topic in the live classes. PDF notes you will get, current affair will be covering, government scheme will be covering, reports, important RBI circular, mock test and MCQs you will get, and currently 10% discount if you want to enroll this course. And Unacademy code you can use, Unacademy in capital letters, you will get discount. And this is crash course, and all the syllabus topic will be covered in this crash course. So it is going to be start from tomorrow. Also after the live classes you will get the recorded videos you will also get. If you have missed the class, you can see it later on. So don't if you are good in quant and reasoning, and those who you have not yet started your preparation for the phase 2, I will advise subscribe to our crash course and complete the syllabus in 45 to 50 days. This is the performance of our candidates in the last year. You can see that All India rank was 7 from our this student was a subscriber of our course. Rajinder Best, these others candidates, 12 candidates of our course last year. 12 candidates in top 50 were from our course. So these are the details. So if you're in doubt regarding our crash course, you can reach, and this link to subscribe this crash course is given in the details of this video, means description of the video. And thank you. Keep learning.